have to do some final edits for my video that's going up tomorrow. I just put waters and Sprites in my mini fridge. But sorry, I realized I did it in the dark, so you're probably not gonna see me. Made my bed. I'm literally just probably gonna go on my computer and do my to-dos for the day. I just have a lot of business things to do. So I got the package for the unboxing that I did a few videos ago. So I'm just opening it. And this one is the ring light because the other one has not come in yet because it is a made by order item. Here it is. Ooh, I ripped the box, but here it is. Okay. Let's take that. Okay. Here's the box. I'm gonna throw this to the side. Alright, so let's open it. I want to get the open on cam. Oh my god, okay. So I'm just gonna set this to the side. And we're gonna open the light. Okay. Okay. Cute. Love this. And it seems like good quality. Has a little remote to control the lights and everything. Here's the pamphlet. Okay, next let's do the tripod. Okay, so okay, cool. And this goes. I'm just gonna get it set up as we go. Okay, so I'm gonna unloosen it, bring it like this, and then tighten it back up because I do want my thing. But that is so cool. Cool. Okay, unhook these to make it longer. Oh wow. Wow, she's big. And I'm super tall, so it really helps. This is, I think, the thing that holds your camera. Or holds your phone. Yeah. This is the phone thingy. Alright, let me get this on real quick. Oh, okay. So this thing goes here. Okay. Wow, she's tall. Wow, she's tall. Okay, so now we're gonna put this thingy on. This thing holds your phone. And I don't know how you plug her in. Let's read the user manual. Sorry, I'm just not an instruction person. I just went right in with it. Okay. Oh. She uses one of these to... Okay, don't mind all the trash right over here, but this is how you work her. So she lights up. And then you have the on button. Oh my god, she's bright. Wow, look at her. Okay, and then we have her long. She's super tall. So I will, in comparison of me, and this is me. I'm like 6'1", 6'2". Yeah, she's super tall. Okay, let me show you her colors. Warning, there is going to be flashing lights, so if you have epilepsy or you do anything where flashing lights gets you, maybe click off of this video or skip like a whole minute or skip a whole 5 minutes. I apologize. Yeah, so that's the ring light. I will leave this down below because it is honestly a must. If you are an influencer and you are not willing to spend $200 on a tripod ring light, this one is definitely good. Now, I don't know fully because I have not used it like I normally would, but I will definitely get back to you guys and let you know if there's any problems. But yeah, this one's like really good. So I'll leave it in the link below. Okay, so I got the other package right here. I'm just gonna open it. This is the planner that I had ordered that I said was cut like shipped by order because it was made like handmade. So, and then I also have the thumbtacks that I just got for everyday use for my household. Okay, so first we have the thumbtacks. Really big compared to my hand. It's huge, basically my hand. 600. God, wow, look at that, beautiful. And this is a 10-year planner. This plans up to 10 years. Okay, let's see the inside because I have not seen the inside. The pictures did not have an inside. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, so you open it and it's a calendar. I love it. And it's hardcover. I made sure to get hardcover just because it's going to be lasting for 10 years. I don't want it to break, rip, or anything. But they do have paperback one. If you want to get this, you can get paperback. Wow, so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below. Click that bell to get a notification every time I upload, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!